Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to make exploding boxes for photos. This is an example of an exploding box. You take off the lid and it explodes, revealing photos that you can have inside. It gives you many surfaces to glue photos on. And you can put photos, embellishments, whatever it is that you would like. Then you fold it up like this. You put the lid on, and if you want, you can tie it with a ribbon or whatever, and present it to somebody as a lovely gift. You need a piece of 12 by 12 cardstock that you have scored in sections this way and this way, 4-inch by 4-inch sections. And then take a 6 by 6 piece of cardstock and again make a 4-inch lid and score the edges as well. Now you're going to take the glue stick and the scissors and put this together. First, you're going to cut on the lines like so, just the first third of each portion. I'm cutting that third, then I'm going to flip it around, cut this third. Flip it around, cut this third. And then what you're going to do is fold each part like this, and again, you put whatever photos you want in there. You can decorate it however you want to. I'm showing you how to make the basic exploding box. So there's your box, but now we need to make the lid to hold it together. So again, I'm just going to cut the tab like this. Again, turning it around, just cutting one section of it like this, and again like this. Folding along the other lines, you're going to take your glue stick and you're going to put the box together as such. I'm going to put a little glue here, tuck it in here, and press. Put a little glue on this tab, tuck and press. So now you put your box together. And you just place your lid on top. If you would like, you can put a ribbon around it and present it as a gift. And that's how you make an exploding box. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.